Hi, thanks for joining us at For the Love of Usborne. I wanted to show you inside one of our Look Inside books. So these are our middle level flat books. We have Peek Inside for younger kids and See Inside for older kids or adult kids. I love the See Inside books, but this one is full of so much information. I cannot believe how much information they get into such a little book. If you have anyone interested in castles at all, like this, or knights, or any of that, this is a great one. This page contains something of a look and find because there's the menu, and then it asks you to spot the dishes that they're preparing on the page. I'm sorry for my struggle one-handed here. All those snorts are my little French bulldog in the background. I actually have two, but the little one is quite playful this morning. So there you have it. Look inside a castle.